welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenna. Before we get into today's video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button and you subscribe. I would very much appreciate that. Okay, well, as you see from the title of this video, it is a deep clean the kitchen with me. I have not deep cleaned my kitchen in a long time. It really needs it. I'm going to clean my fridge because my fridge is disgusting. I don't think I've like deep cleaned my fridge since I moved in at the end of April, and it's mid-July. So yeah, I really need to do that. And then I'm gonna organize my pantry. I don't think it needs organized too much because there's not much in there. Yeah, we need to go to the grocery store ASAP, but I mean, my kitchen is a mess. Like, look at this counter. Do you guys have a catch-all for all of your stuff, okay? Because this is my catch-all area, and I can't stand it. It drives me insane. Like, I will clean it, and watch, I'm gonna clean this, okay? And the next day, it's gonna be a disaster. The next day. Like, there's just so much stuff you're gonna see. I mean, Rudy's cone right there. So, we're gonna deep clean this kitchen. We're gonna clean the floors. We're gonna do all the good stuff in the kitchen because it is gross and it needs it. And I'm just sick of looking at it. I can't take it anymore. I can't. I hope that this deep cleaning motivates you all. I've seen a lot of cleaning videos lately that motivated me to clean my kitchen and to do this. And I wasn't going to do it, but I said, you know what? If I have a video and I record myself, I'm for sure gonna clean it and it's gonna look really nice. So we're gonna get into this. Okay, everyone, I cannot believe how good this turned out. The only thing left to do is to put those clean pans away, but actually I'm going to be making zucchini casserole tonight, so I'm just going to leave that glass pan out because I'm going to be using it in an hour to prepare dinner. But I am so impressed. I got this counter all cleaned off. I am trying my air fryer over there instead of over here. I just want to see how it looks because it looks so cluttered over here. But yes, it looks cluttered over there too, but I'd rather have all of the machines over there, like, you know, the KitchenAid mixer, the Keurig, and the air fryer. That way it's all over there together, and then all of this has space, you know, food preparation space. And I found places for Savannah's crayons and her coloring books, thank goodness. I don't want her to have them in her playroom because then she'll dump her crayons and they will be everywhere and it will drive me nuts. So I have somewhere else that I put them that is easily accessible for us. And then all this other stuff was just kind of papers and books that didn't really need to be here. Other stuff, I found places for everything, organized everything. I did not organize the pantry. The pantry is okay, like I said, because there's barely any food in there. We need to go grocery shopping this week. The fridge looked so much better. I cleaned out a couple of things, cleaned out an old jar of tomato sauce that was old, threw away some things that were expired. So the fridge is good to go. The freezer, there wasn't much to clean, so I didn't clean anything in there, but it looks so nice. I'm so excited to get more groceries in there. Now I know what I need to get at the grocery since I cleaned everything. But I am so excited with how this turned out. I got to clean the floor. I swear the corgis are going through a shedding phase right now because there was so much hair on the floor. And now I need to sweep my living room because there's so much hair. Like, I need to go outside and brush them and then sweep. And I'll probably have to sweep again, but dog mom life for real. Since I've got this done, I need to just see if Savannah's awake, and if she is, bring her downstairs. Maverick was asleep the entire time also, so they both napped at the same time, which is just double thumbs up for me. That never happens. That is just very, very, very strange that I got to do this entire kitchen project without either of them waking up. But feed him, get her up, and by the time all that happens, then I need to make dinner. I hope this video motivated you to clean your kitchen and to clean your fridge and to get everything organized. Thank you for watching, and I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.